everyone, welcome back to my channel. Meet Manny here. For today's video, we are going to be doing a year review of my bum bag. It's more like a year and a half. I do have an unboxing video of this bum bag from when I first got it. It's definitely one of the first 5 videos I've uploaded. And if you guys haven't seen my unboxing video of the bum bag, make sure you click that link down below in the description. And I do put it back in the box and the dust bag after every use. Some might say that I shouldn't because keeping it in the dust bag or in the box might damage the leather. Let me just fix it real quick. Oh, this is so exciting. It has been more than a year since I've gotten this, but I don't know. I personally feel like it still looks brand new. I don't know if you guys can see. This bum bag, I wore it every single chance I got. You can dress it up, dress it down. I feel like with the clothes that I wear, it just goes with everything. I don't know if my camera is giving justice to this, but so as you can see, there's no damage at all on the handle. I don't really carry it like this. No damage on the flap either, like right here where the most common scenario for most about this bag is this flap that every time you have to use it, you have to flip it. You have to flip it up. In my case, it wasn't really that much of a hassle. I've gotten used to it, so it's not that bad, you know? I feel like I'm too close to the camera. With the zipper, it still looks so brand new, still shining, no scratches at all, just, you know, finger marks. Another thing is that this vachetta leather is coming in really pretty. You know, it doesn't look like it's been overused or anything like that, although I have been wearing it a lot of times already the past few years, or the past year. And you can just see that there's no watermark. I would like to believe that, you know, I've taken care of this bag the way that I should have. I mean, at least compared to my other bags, which I really don't. Okay, so that's how it looks like. I don't really use it with the top handle. More than likely, I would be using this as a crossbody bag like this. And again, it goes with all the outfits that I wear. One of the things that I did mention for my unboxing video is that every time I have to use it, I would have to basically flip the flap and then unzip the bag, which at first I'm like, I had to get used to it, obviously, because it's like an additional step to just opening a zipper. But I'm already used to it, so it's just a habit at this point, you know. It does have a zipper at the back. I keep this. I don't know why, I just never took it out. Sometimes I just put my wallet in here or like my ID for like an easy access. Since I have a separate wallet, I just put the wallet inside. So yeah. Hi. Anyways, what was I saying? The zipper on the back, there's no scratches or any markings. The zipper still works perfectly. I don't know how to explain it any further than that. But there's really not much to like show you guys as far as the inside. The inside still looks brand new. I mean, when I put stuff in there, there's no like stains or anything like that. I feel like if I were to resell it right now, I would still be able to sell it for the same exact amount that I bought it for, or even more. I say that because if you guys look online right now with Louis Vuitton website, this bag now costs $1,900, $1,900, which is crazy because a year and a half ago, I only got this for $1,600. Yeah, $1,690. So if you guys didn't know, stores like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, they do have price increases at least once a year. But the past 2 years, like 2020 was crazy with like all these Louis Vuitton price increase. That's why I started buying stuff, because I'm like, dang, you know, like, I was just looking at this bag for like, let's just say $500, and now you know, a week later, it's $700. Like, what? It is what it is. That's just one thing to keep in mind. As you guys can tell, I'm so careless with the bag. Like, I don't know if you guys are gonna be cringing with me holding it like this or like just folding it this way, but this bag is so durable. It's like soft leather, if that makes sense. You can see, and it doesn't make any creases on the bag when I do that. And I usually keep it in the dust bag like this, like it would sit flat, and it has not made any creases or damaged the bag at all. When I pack it, it's so thin that I can just fit it in my backpack when I travel. I would say that this bag is definitely a head turner. Like, I would just notice people looking at the bag like, ooh, what is that? Or maybe they're just like, damn, how can she afford that? She looks like she's like 16. But either way, it's a head turner piece. So I feel like it's one of those pieces that back in 2019, 2020, that's when the bum bag was very popular, and now it's kind of just dying down, you know? But for me, I feel like I'll be using, this is gonna be one of my classics. It's a review for this bag. If you guys have any questions regarding my bum bag in monogram, please let me know. Put that on the comment section below and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. One of the things that I wanted to talk about with you guys is this gift that I got from Christmas, and it's a you guys are probably like, what? A Chanel for Christmas? I didn't buy it. It was a gift, because you know I collect gifts, so just start sending me stuff and I'll do the review for you. I'm not gonna show much because I don't know, I feel weird about it. So I actually don't even know what it's called. Basically, this is a hand-me-down from my sister, and I got one, and this one is also a hand-me-down from, this is like the vintage Dior saddle, and this is also a hand-me-down from my other sister. So that's the perk of having like so many sisters. So I've been wanting a black bag with gold hardware, but I didn't know which one to buy. I've seen one in Dior. I'll show some pictures over here of like what I was thinking of buying, but I ended up going home for the holidays, and gladly I didn't buy it yet because I got one for free. It's something that's even better. It has the gold hardware, and it comes with the gold chain. It's so pretty. See, got all the cards in here. I didn't want to do a full unboxing video of it. I just feel like it's too much. I don't even know where to use it. It's just like how I showed you guys my Felici. Besides the crossbody bag, I think I would wear it like this as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will try my best to at least try to be more consistent this year. Hopefully I'll be able to put actions with those words. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.